morning to all of you. Welcome to the Astrotech lab. Myself dr.rokde. Today discuss about how astrology around us and how it play a vital role in our life.
Astrology around us. As soon as the name of astrology comes, we will learn the secrets of our future. Become angry, some people listen to their detachment like this. Want to take, like it would literally be buttressed. The astrologer speculates as much as he can by reading the horoscope and says if the range of astrology is too wide and the scribes have discovered and collected the basis of studying every aspect related to man, then also, reading them, behaving and concluding your own reasoning power depends on the individual's own eligibility. The student of astrology salutes the sun's tremendous power, the moon's nourishing rays and the seductive world. Also see, but with them if he does not see the constellations, if we do not see the constantly changing situation, then it's knowledge only. Remains theoretical. There is no doubt that direct knowledge resolves many curiosities with an intuitive sense, then astrology is an astounding knowledge. Before we get introduced to the different dimensions of astrology, if we understand its basic facts, then there will be convenience. Although this small body of ours is insignificant in the unthinkable expanse of the world, yet it's.
I hope you like this all session. If you like this, please share with your friends and family and send a feedback at info@astrotechlab.com. Thank you.